Welcome back to another video. If y'all would like and subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. Today I'm going to show y'all how to remove a CV axle on the driver's side of the vehicle. It's a 2009 Nissan Sentra. The whole project here is to remove the motor. So if y'all follow me, y'all will get every step that I do. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to get right into this. First of all, you have two items here. You have the nut and the cotter pin. You want to remove it from here. This nut here is 1.25 inches. So if you have 1.25 inches, zip it right off. All right, next step is going to be, I'm going to remove these strut bolts. Let's see. This is 21 mil. So I'm gonna zip them off. I'll be right back. All right, the next step, you're gonna remove the tie rod end. That's here. This bolt here, size 14 mil. I'm gonna zip that off and I'll be right back. All right, next I'm gonna take off this sway bar link here. Size 18. I'll be right back after I zip it off. All right, I had to get a pair of vice grips to hold the back side of it because it kept spinning. So just keep that in mind. Next, I'm gonna pull the CV axle out of the hub here, and then I'm gonna work the CV axle out of the transmission. I will show you how to do that. Stay tuned. All right, as you can see, I got it all apart. CV axle is out of the hub here. It's a good practice that you check your tie rod ends. Check for see if the boot is torn. This one here is kind of loose, so I may have to change this one. You can also check this ball joint here. Make sure the boot is not leaking, grease and all that type stuff there. So now all I have to do is to just pull it out of the transmission, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. All right, so basically what you want to do is take one of these forks here, same thing you use for your ball joints. This one here is the size 1 5/8. You can take this and put it in between the transmission there and your CV axle. I already did it. You put it in like so, and you hammer it in slightly, and it should pop right out. And as you can see, that's all you have to do to remove a CV axle. If I helped y'all, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Y'all have a good day.